make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with another Spilling Lushes Secrets video. Now, I have really tried to come up with things that you might not actually know. And yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I have come together with a few things, and some of these you will probably know and some of these you might not, but I'm going to tell you them anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoy, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing is quite a common thing, and I think most of you guys will probably know this, but I thought I would share it with you anyway in case some of you didn't, and that is that bubble bars are made with the intention of multiple uses, and also not only are they cost effective for you, they are also made for more uses than what the Lush employees are probably telling you in the first place. What I mean by that is the average comforter bubble bar, which is about this big, a Lush employee would probably tell you you can get 2 uses out of it. I can get 6. So you're actually getting so many more uses out of it, so you're saving yourself a lot more money. But not only that, because they are multi-use anyway, instead of using a bath bomb for 1 bath, you are using 1 bubble bar for 6. So just trying to save you some coin. The next secret I would say is that the gift sets in Lush are not always cheaper. Now, a lot of people look at gift sets and think they're going to have a bargain and you're going to save so much money, but in fact if you actually sit there and work out the prices, you're probably paying around £3 to £10 more just because it's in a fancy box. So when I used to work there, I used to pick out all of my things separately and buy myself a little box, and I would give that as a gift, and not only is that more personal, but also saves you some money as well, so a win-win. This isn't really necessarily a secret, but it's more of a fact, and that is the baskets that you carry around Lush to do your shopping are actually made from the recycled black pots that you get from Lush, which I think is a really cool fact. I thought I would just throw it in. It's not necessarily a secret, but I just quite like that one, so thought I'd let you guys know. So the next secret is that every Lush employee in December is allowed to give away 1 free Lush product every single day. Now, I have mentioned this previously, but I wanted to touch on it again because not only in December can they give away something for free per day, but every single day of the year, the store can give away 1 free item. So if you're going to go into Lush and you've had a really crappy day, let them know because they'll probably give you something for free. And I'm not necessarily saying this for you all to run into Lush, say you've had a bad day so you get a free bath bomb, because it might not happen, but it's just something to bear in mind when you're in there. Be nice to staff members because they will always be nice to you back. The next secret is that Lush employees actually get to take home all the fresh face masks when they're nearing their expiry date. Now, we can only sell face masks for 3 weeks and then they have to go in the bin. However, instead of throwing them in the bin, why not just take them home? I went home after work every single week with probably 4 to 5 fresh face masks. I'm not even joking. Like, I had great skin when I was in university. I had so many freebies because they would just go in the bin otherwise, and it was just such a waste. So when you work there, make sure you check the expiry dates because you could probably take a couple of them home with you. My next secret is that you can actually get free samples of pretty much everything. Now, obviously you guys know you can get free samples at Lush. However, you can get free samples near enough of everything. You can't get free samples of bubble bars, bath bombs, bath melts, or solid shampoo bars, but if you want a free sample of a facial cleanser, a soap, a shower gel, a body scrub, toothpaste, anything, you can get a free sample. However, talking about free samples, I would like to touch on that and just say, don't just ask for a free sample, go in for a consultation and they will be more than happy to give you some stuff to take home. However, if you just go in asking for free samples, you probably won't get any, so that's just my advice. My next secret is that actually on all of the Lush products there is a facial sticker that says who made the product, and you're probably thinking that that's not really a secret, you've seen that for such a long time. However, did you know if you peel up the sticker, there's actually a word underneath? Go and check your bottle of shampoo and then pop back to this video and let me know what it says. This next one is something about Lush which in a way really annoys me, but also I see why they do it, and that is that Lush always reuse scent families. Now, a scent family is basically loads of different products which have the same scent, but it does happen more often than not, which is really annoying. So for example, just on top of my head, Honeybee Bath Bomb, It's Raining Men, Soft Cur, Honey I Wash the Kids, the Honey Soap for your hair, they all smell the same. So to me, that's just a lot of honey fragrance. I feel like they could have added more, they could have made it a little bit different, but... And last but by no means least is that some Lush stores in December can take over £20,000 worth of profit. How mad is that? So when you go into Lush around Christmas and it's very busy and the staff and sales assistants seem a little bit stressed out, they deserve to be stressed out because they are making a lot of money and they need to be on the ball. They need to be getting all these customers in the queue, helping people, getting it all through, and I can definitely relate to the stress. Honestly, I left work some days emotionally drained for like 3 days. So next time you're in there in December, just be nice to the staff because they're having a busy one. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I really did try to think of things that I haven't told you previously, so I hope you guys did enjoy. Please give it a massive thumbs up if you did because it means a lot, and also subscribe to my channel. I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers. Like, it's so close yet so far, so if you're not subscribed already, please do. Share it with your friends because we are so close. I can almost taste it. So keep sharing the videos, keep sharing the channel. Don't forget to subscribe yourself if you haven't, and I will see you in my next one. Also, if you've got any requests, leave them down below. Bye bye.